Hi everyone, this is Camille. In a previous video, we learned rhythm is crucial for videos, and how to control rhythm by controlling the length of clips. If you've watched that tutorial, then today's video can take your video editing skill to the next level. If you haven't watched that tutorial yet, feel free to click the video in the upper corner to watch it. It can help you better understand what we are going to discuss today. We've mentioned in a previous tutorial that rhythm in videos is created by contrast. The contrast mainly comes from light and heavy, fast and slow, gentle and eager. We have many different ways to create contrast. For example, type of shot, movement, shooting angle, sound, composition, the length of the clip, color, etc. Does it feel complicated? Don't worry, actually, we just need to look at the elements in a video that can form the contrast. Make use of this contrast, and we can create the rhythm we need. We've learned the length of clips. Today, let's have a look at how we apply that in video editing. A common technique is fast cutting. Fast cutting refers to cutting together several shots of brief duration for creating the changes in the rhythm. These changes don't have to follow the music. In other words, the visual content alone can create the changes. The rhythm can come from the visual content as well as the audio. Thus, when editing videos, we'd better create contrast in both the visual and the audio parts, and make this contrast match and work together, so that we can create more dramatic rhythms. Look at this video. The slow, fast, and slow pace are corresponding to the clips with a long, short, and a long duration. We can break this down into three groups. The first group is the close-ups of the character. The second one contains more clips of short durations. As for the last group, it's the media shot of the character. The first one includes fewer clips, but each clip has a long duration. The pace feels slow. The second one has more clips, each has a slow duration. The pace feels fast. Then again, there is a group of slow pacing shots. In this way, we can create a comparison group of slow, fast, and slow. After building the contrast in visual, let's go to the audio part, which includes the music and the sound effect. An accent in a sound effect can work as an emphasis. We can make use of accents to create a contrast between the strength and the weaknesses of the sound. We can use accents to emphasize the feeling of contrast when switching between fast and slow pacing scenes. Asides, in a fast cut edit sequence, we can use transitions or accent sound effects like wind, glitch, and tinnitus to match the tempo. The pace of these three groups is slow, fast, and slow. If we take these three groups as a chapter in a video, one video contains multiple groups. This group has a slow pace. Then how about the rhythm of the groups before and after this one? This is a great trick to control and create rhythm in videos. Alright, this is all for today. Don't forget to practice what you've learned in this tutorial. Feel free to visit our homepage to find more tutorials for making tons of fancy effects. Be sure to click the subscribe button to subscribe if you haven't yet, so you can get notified as soon as we post any new content. See you in our next video. Hope you enjoyed it. Bye!